Hello and welcome you once again in this new session of history. Today we are going to read about the chapter number 4, Impact of British Policies. Its question answers and bookwork exercises. Now let's start with the first exercise, that is the fill in the blanks. The death of Raja Ranjit Singh in 1839 spelled disaster for the Sikh kingdom. The British started military build-up as Firozpur across the Satluj River. The Treaty of Amritsar in 1845 was signed after the First Anglo-Sikh War. Fourth, Jindan Kaur was deposed at the regent of and banished to Shekhupura jail near Lahore. Then the Hindu governor of Multan, Diwan Mulk Raj, refused to pay the increased revenue. Match the following. Satluj River, border between British and Sikh territories. Wajid Ali Shah, the last Nawab of Awadh. Lord Dalhousie, Doctrine of Lapse. Gulab Singh, Purchase of Kashmir. And Nana Sahib, the last Nana Sahib, the deprivation of pension. True or false? Governor General Lord Hardinge did not declare war on Punjab. It is false. Hardinge declared war on Punjab. Due to its inability to pay war indemnity to the British, the Sikh doctrine added territories between the Bias and the Indus rivers to the British. That is true. Then the British resident had a greater say in running Sikh government. It's a true. Punjab was annexed by the British after the Second Anglo-Sikh War. True. And Maharaja Dalip Singh was sent to England and put under the protection of Queen Victoria. It's a true. Now picture is the picture of Nawab Wajid Ali Shah. Second है which instrument did he play? Which instrument did Dalhousie depose him? Doctrine of Lapse deposed Awadh. Two, and the British exiled him to Calcutta, Garden Reach. Fourth one, he is credited with the revival of an Indian dance that name was Kathak, and named the venue where he regularly staged Kathak dance recitals. It was Kaisar Bagh Garden. Copywork expansion of British rule in India. Write about Anglo-Sikh War. First Sikh War. It is first Sikh War. At the turn of century, 18th century AD, Maharaja Ranjit Singh united a number of Sikh principalities and laid the foundation of the Sikh kingdom in Punjab. They conquered Lahore in 1799 AD, Amritsar in 1801 AD. Lahore was made the capital of his kingdom. By 1809, he brought the whole of the central Punjab up to Satluj. Event leading to Treaty of Amritsar 1809. Lord Minto, the Governor General, sent his envoy Sir Charles Metcalfe to the court of Ranjit Singh, and the Treaty of Amritsar was concluded. The terms of the Treaty of Amritsar was A. By this treaty, both Sikhs and English agreed to attack each other and not to attack each other and to accept Satluj as the boundary. The English, on the other hand, did not help Dost Muhammad, the Amir of Afghanistan, to recover Peshawar from Ranjit Singh. Causes of the First Sikh War. After the death of Ranjit Singh, the Sikh army became overpowerful and the authorities could not control it. Then Lal Singh and important ministers and Rani Jindal, the regent of Dalip Singh, the ruler, wanted the army to be punished. Then see, the British too had then eyes on Punjab and were looking for an opportunity to annex the state. With this view, they had increased their troops along the Satluj and made a bridge of boats. Even the British Governor General Lord the British okay the second yes Lord even the British Governor General Lord Hardinge was prepared for the situation. The Sikh fought bravery, but their leader were in faith to the kingdom. The army was left leaderless. Result: Lal Singh came to an understanding with the English, who were allowed to enter Lahore unopposed. In return, Gulab Singh achieved was to get Kashmir. The Sikh army was defeated and Treaty of Lahore was concluded in 1846. Second Sikh War. Causes of the Second Sikh War in 1848. First, the humiliation caused by the First Anglo-Sikh War, wherein the Sikh Empire had lost some territories to the British East India Company. Second, the Sikh repent Maharani Jinder Kaur, not treated properly by the British. Third, Maharani Jinder Kaur was removed from the Lahore on conspiracy charges against British resident in Lahore. Even the Second Anglo-Sikh War was a military conflict between the Sikh Empire and British East India Company and took place in 1848 and 1849. It resulted the fall of Sikh Empire on annexation of the Punjab and with subsequently became the Northwest Frontier Province. Result was decisive British victory. East India Company annexed the Sikh Empire. Then it resulted of the Sikh kingdom and causing of Jammu and Kashmir a separate princely state under Britishers. Now, what is doctrine of lapse? Terms and result. According to the Indian territories, according to the Indian tradition, kings were accepted to adopt on and higher to the throne, or if they did not have a son of their own. This tradition was not accepted by the Britishers. The new Governor General Lord Dalhousie introduced a new policy known as Doctrine of Lapse. According to this policy, if the king do not have any natural heir, then the kingdom would lapse to the Britishers or would be administered and occupied by the British. So that's all for today's session. We will meet in our next session with a new topic. Till then, have a nice day and take care of your health.